Poised on esteemed Pymble Avenue, an address of substance, significance and status, this circa 1904 landmark property, affectionately known as the Knoll, is a statement in grandeur, prestige and craftsmanship. It is a home that stands alone in the prestige Pymble market. Come take a look at 14 Pymble Avenue. The exquisite restoration of this landmark home presents an opportunity rarely seen in the prestige market. The immense solid brick Federation style home rests on an impressive 1,684 square metres of flat, sun-drenched land and has been sympathetically revived and completely renovated, matching history with modern appeal under the guidance of a heritage consultant, architect and the impressive skills of the team at Cubic. The unrelenting pursuit of excellence and outstanding attention to detail in its transformation is unmistakably evident from its front electric gates that guard the sweeping circular driveway to the magic of the fully renovated pool and rear alfresco terrace with stunning district views and no visible neighbours from its elevated position. At the entry, you are met by dazzling marble checkerboard floors underfoot, and above, soaring 3.3 metre high ceilings and carefully restored original features combined seamlessly with luxury high-end appeal and the latest in home automation. The elegance and grace of the original formal lounge and dining rooms are elevated by the eye-catching beauty of the casual living zones at the rear. The living and dining rooms with vintage stone frame fireplace merge cleverly with the stunning Millet kitchen, complete with butler's pantry and an outlook over the pool. Floor-to-ceiling commercial grade sliders have been added with dramatic impact, merging inside and out and framing the private panoramic outlook. The spacious home offers an abundance of accommodation with a 6-bedroom layout, including a ground floor guest suite with ensuite and an indulgent master, complete with a custom walk-in robe and ensuite that will take your breath away. There are an additional 4 bedrooms upstairs, one of which is being used as a study. A rear studio with ensuite completes the accommodation and is perfect for teenage or adult children, guests or parents. And what premium home would not be complete without a hidden sauna, a sandstone basement cellar for you to fill with your favourite wine and your very own putting green, overlooking the stunning manicured grounds. All of this is positioned just 250 metres to Pymble Station and 400 metres to Pymble Ladies College. This is such an amazing property, showcasing the very best in heritage style and blended seamlessly with the latest in interior design and technology. I cannot wait to show you at our next open home.